Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the compare commands in the LS PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software and here we will take the first input address of our PLC IX0 and next we will choose the one increment command INC. When you type, after you will get the command INC, and here we will take one data register, an example MD10 we will be choose, and in the out also we will type MD10 because of when we like to use the compare commands, so we have to be take the help of increment or counter or timer, whatever, anything we can choose, but I am using the method of increment and decrement. So in the next line we will be take one more bit IX0 to remove the value of the increment command. An example, we will be take move when move type, after you will be get the move command, and here we will be type the 0 and moves this value into the MD10 because of when we press the IX0, 0 value moves will be into the MD10. In the next row we will be take in the next row we will get the first compare command. In the compare section have many commands, start from equal. First is equal command, and in the second line we will be choose the not equal, NE. When you type the NE, after you will be get the not equal command, and next we will be choose the greater than. GE, when you type, after you can get the greater than command, and in the next we will be choose the less than command. When you type LE, after you can get the less than command. This is your equal command, and this is your not equal command, and this is your greater than, and this is your less than command. And this data register we will be choose the same MD10. When MD10 we decided here, when MD10 is equal with 5, for example, we need one output. One output QX0, for example, and here also we will be define QX1, for example. If any data is not equal, we will use the QX1, and here we will be define QX2, for example. Any these numbers you can choose, this nothing issue, and here we will be choose QX3, for example. And data we just only the same data we will be use. This is MD10, and here also we will be choose MD10, and here also we will be choose MD10, and here we will be take the value 10, for example, and here we will be take the 15 value, and here we will be take the 20 value. Means what we decided here, when our MD10 will be equal with 5, our QX0 will be on. When our MD10 is not equal with the 10, after our QX1 will be on. When our MD10 is greater than or equal with 15, our QX2 will be on. And when our MD10 is less than or equal with 20, our QX3 will be on. So first we will be download this program into the PLC, and after we will verify. Go to the monitor section, and now we will take, now you can see in the not equal command there is a 10 value we set for the MD10. When this command will equal with 10, after it will be off, and also this our value 5 will be equal, after our QX0 will be on. So I will give the value at my X0, and after we will check the we will give the value at IX0, and our sorry, one mistake we will be make, we will put the one number because of we will use the same number at the IX0, so it will be continuously giving the move in 0 into the MD10. So we have to be choose this one IX1. This is our mistake, we have to be correct this one, and again we have to be download the program. Because of we need the IX0 used for the increment, and this is we have to be for the reset look like our data register, and go to the monitor, and now we will again test. Now I gives the value at IX0 first signal, and you can see the one signal will be completed, and again I give 2, again 3, again 4. As this MD10 will be equal with 5, your output X0 will be on. And again, well, more value I will be give. You can see our equal command is now off, and our not equal command will be on. You can see this is the now 10 value is equal, but we use this command not equal, so when this MD10 will be not equal with any value, after it output will be on. So again when I one value will be give more, after you can see QX1 is now on. So next command is our greater than or equal. When this MD10 will be greater than or equal with 15, our QX2 will be on. Now again I will give the signal 13, 14, and as this will be equal or greater than, you can see now value is 16 and 17, but our output is on. And this is QX3 what defines less than 20 or equal with 20, after our output will be on or off at 18, 19, 20. And you can see this is the as the signal will be increased than 1, 21, output is now on. And as I gives the signal at the IX1, this QX3 and QX1 will be continue on, because of this is the less than or equal, and this is the not equal command. So hope guys you will be better understand about the compare commands. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.